So I want to show you how you can place an order on my website. I know that it can get a little crazy sometimes when you go to the actual paparazziaccessories.com site. So I just wanted to walk you through it. So when you're on the computer, on your laptop or your desktop, you're actually going to go here to shop. Okay? And yes, you can do just browse, but what you want to do is go to choose consultant. Okay, and actually I'm right here. I'm also in, this is my area code. My consultant name, you would search for Christina Wallace. My consultant number is 227142. But because I've been logged in on this actually is my website right here. So you're going to choose this consultant. And you want to go for, if you're going to a party, you're going to go here, okay? You're going to let shop for parties, and I don't know why it's not. Oh, I'm sorry. There you go. So you're just going to go there, and these are all of my parties. So right now we're going to go to Anna's Bling Fling, okay? So you get down there, and you're just going to choose Join Now. And in here, you can shop all of the products. You can see that there's all of these that are divided up, okay? And you can click on each one of those. We're going to go into the new releases, and then we're going to scroll down. Whoops, sorry. Okay, and say you want this beautiful necklace. So you can click on that, and it's already added into your cart. Oh, you want this one too? Add it. Boom, there it is in your cart. All right, so let's say you're done shopping for now. You can go up to your cart, and this is where you're going to do your login checkout. So you'll need to make a paparazzi account. It doesn't take your payment or information to make the account. Anybody can register to be a customer. Okay, but you want to get that part set up. And if you already do have a paparazzi account, then you can go here. This is not just for consultants. This is if you're already a registered paparazzi customer. So you're going to enter the information in there. Okay, and then everything else walks you through. Next, I'll show you how to do it when you are actually on a mobile device. So here is what it looks like when you're on a phone, and you can see right there, see all those categories that I'm scrolling through. You just kind of lightly touch and then drag over, and there we're at the new releases. You can just scroll up or down and look at them. It looks pretty similar. But as you can see, those are all the current ones available. And then there's the showroom designer. Some of the categories don't have anything in them right now, but that changes. And the new releases change daily.